Door hinge, door lock, and the operation of opening and closing car doors. Car door hinges and locks play crucial roles. Over time, continuous use leads to wear and tear, which may cause these components to operate less smoothly or fail completely. Long-term exposure to various environmental conditions can cause rust, eventually leading to malfunction. As the world's largest aftermarket door handle manufacturer, Hushan Industrial leverages 50 years of experience in car door parts to address automotive concerns. Hushan Industrial's car door hinges and locks have passed over 96 hours of salt spray testing for quality assurance, met the strength requirements of the American FMVSS 206, which set the minimum performance standards for motor vehicle door locks and retention components. These regulations aim to minimize the risk of occupants being ejected from the vehicle during a collision. Hushan's car door hinges and locks currently have over 1,000 SKUs. These products span American, Japanese, Korean, European, and heavy truck models. With comprehensive after-sales service, Hushan is your only choice in the automotive parts industry.